cool, huh? Sing him a song.
Little green bird, you're a cute one and you're really old. What's your name? I think your name is Gold. Your little bird is just crashing the house. Don't worry, 'cause you're like a little mouse. Okay, what? Now what? Now what do we do with the bird, Dad? Should we put him on the tree? Should we put him on the tree?
Maybe you should pray for him.
Dear Jesus, thank you for this day, and thank you for this cute little bird, and that he's okay of just crashing in the window. And that he's okay. Should I put him on the tree? Let's see if he gets on.
Should we put him on a tree?
Yes, he will.
Oh my goodness.
Do you want to go on the tree? There's the rafter. Good.
Should I put him on a tree?
No. I want to keep holding it.
You want to keep holding him?
I wish I could hold it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Eden, you hold him.
His name's Gold. He's a
What do you think, bud? Isn't that cool?
This is my first time holding a
Real live bird.
We've never had a bird. Let's hold him now. Here, let's get some grass. Here, you can put this in your hands to like it. Put him in my hands and let me like the grass. Gently. I don't know when I'm going to do it. I'll just put the grass in your hands so if you like it. Oh my goodness.
There he is. He's on the branch. Look at that.
Gorgeous cute.
Is he gone?
Yep.
Oh, he flew away.
Yay.
Wow, guys.
First time holding him.
Was that the coolest thing ever?
Dad, did you tape it?
I did.
Yay, now we can show Mommy.
Totally.
Yay.